Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal Farooqi, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Artificial Intelligence. Today, we are breaking down the fascinating world of intelligence, what it really means, its key features, and different types you may not even know exist. By the end of this video, you will discover which type of intelligence you excel at and how to harness it for success. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have started our discussion on artificial intelligence, but to understand the artificial intelligence, this is important that we should know what intelligence is. Until unless we know what intelligence is, we'll be unable to understand the artificial intelligence. So, in today's vlog, we shall have an overview of what is intelligence, what are its types and its features. And after understanding the intelligence in itself, then we will proceed on understanding artificial intelligence. As said before in my first video, I am not AI expert, but as a common man, the one who needs to understand, who needs to know how to use AI, I am trying to share with you what I understand from the artificial intelligence and how we can use artificial intelligence in our daily life. So, the basic question, what is intelligence? Have you ever wondered what truly makes a person intelligent? This is the basic question. In your opinion, what's the feature that we will say this man is intelligent and this man is not intelligent? Is it their ability to solve complex problems, their creativity, or how they handle emotions? What do you think? Do you know the intelligence is not just about IQ? You may have heard the word of the IQ, the intelligence quotient. There are multiple types of intelligence, and each one shapes how we think, learn, and interact with the world. Imagine two people. One can solve difficult math questions in seconds, while the other can inspire and lead thousands with their words. What do you think? Who is more intelligent? So, intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge to solve problems, adapt to new situations, and achieve goals. And this is the basic concepts when we try to understand artificial intelligence. I repeat, intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge to solve problems, adapt to new situations, and achieve goals. It encompasses various mental faculties such as reasoning, problem solving, memory, perception, creativity, and decision making. After understanding what the intelligence is, let's see what are the key features of intelligence. There are 5 key features of intelligence, which include adaptability, the ability to adjust to new circumstances. This is the number 1 key feature of intelligence. Second is learning capability, acquiring and retaining knowledge or skills. You acquire and then you retain the knowledge or skills. Third is the problem solving. It means using logic to resolve challenges. Challenges of everyday life, challenges of your professions, challenges of your hurdles coming into your way. Fourth, creativity. It means thinking outside the box to generate new ideas. And the fifth is emotional intelligence, the understanding and managing emotions effectively. So, for someone, we say he or she is intelligent, he must be adaptable, he must be having learning capability, he must be able of problem solving, he must be having a creative mind, and he must have emotional intelligence. So these are the 5 key features of intelligence. And when we understand these key features, it will be easy for us to understand the artificial intelligence. What are the types of intelligence? There are 2 main types of intelligence. One is natural intelligence, or we can call it human and animal intelligence. And the second is artificial intelligence or machine intelligence. So in today's perspective, when we talk about intelligence, we mean either the natural intelligence of human and animals or artificial intelligence, that is the machine intelligence. First, take the natural intelligence or human and animal intelligence. This is the innate cognitive abilities present in living beings. For example, logical reasoning. You reason based upon some logics, some solid grounds. Then emotional understanding. You understand the emotions of the counterpart. Then adaptability to environment. So all these are the features, these are the aspects of natural intelligence in a human as well as in the animals. Coming to the second type of intelligence, that is the artificial intelligence or machine intelligence. This is the intelligence demonstrated by machines programmed, I say programmed to mimic human thinking. For example, AI chatbots like ChatGPT. You give some question and the ChatGPT answers that. The more you give the precisions or the aspects of the questions, the more appropriate is the answer. Then self-driving cars. This is another type of artificial intelligence. And of course, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These are the everyday in use by our mobile phones. Those who are using the cell phones, they are aware with this. And you talk to them just like your companion, your friend, your colleague. So let's concentrate on the human intelligence. What are the forms of human intelligence, or we can say natural intelligence? I said the natural intelligence. This means intelligence in the humans and intelligence in the animals. So concentrate on the human intelligence. What are the forms? Psychologist Howard the Gardner proposed the theory of multiple intelligences, which includes at least 8 types, 8 forms. And what are these? Number one, linguistic intelligence. The human intelligence, one form is linguistic intelligence. It means skill in language and communication. Second is the logical mathematical intelligence. It means problem solving and analytical thinking. Then comes the spatial intelligence, understanding and manipulating visual or spatial information, where you are, what's the time, what's the place, what's the area. So all those dimensions. The fourth is musical intelligence, sensitivity to sound, rhythm, and music. Then comes the fifth is the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. It means control over body movements and physical tasks. Sixth is the interpersonal intelligence, understanding and interacting with others, other human beings. And the seventh is intrapersonal intelligence, self-awareness and introspection. And the eighth is naturalistic intelligence, recognizing patterns in nature and the environment. So these are the 8 forms of human intelligence. And when we will discuss about the artificial intelligence, we will be able to see how much areas, how many forms are covered by that. So the key takeaways from today's discussion is intelligence can be measured using tools like IQ tests for cognitive skills, but it's a complex, multifaceted concept that goes beyond standardized scores. It plays a vital role in both human and AI development, making it a fascinating and widely studied subject. So, intelligence is not just about IQ or solving math problems. It's a vast spectrum, from emotional intelligence to creativity, social intelligence, and even adaptability. Each type of intelligence plays a crucial role in shaping who we are and how we succeed in life. The question is not whether you are intelligent, but rather which type of intelligence is your strength and how can you use it to grow. So dear colleagues, dear friends, thank you very much for watching my today's vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe. We are in an attempt to understand the artificial intelligence. With the passage of time, after few vlogs, we'll be able to understand the artificial intelligence, to know the concepts of artificial intelligence, and then we will discuss different stages of artificial intelligence, its uses in our everyday life, and how we can improve our life, how we can improve our profession, how we can improve our capabilities using the artificial intelligence. Now, I would love to hear from you. What type of intelligence do you think you excel at? drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on intelligence and self-growth. Remember, intelligence is not fixed. It's something you can develop. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video on the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.